that whistling that you hear.
Okay. Are you gonna let me finish or start my vlog for the day? Or are you just gonna stand there and be weird?
You haven't used this expensive ass light.
Because I'm vlogging. I'm not, and I have, excuse me, sir. Ooh, what?
So, I got my full scout armor.
Alright, I'm gonna start my vlog now. You can go away.
Here.
Ooh. That got a kitty. Say hi, kitty. Okay. Don't say hi then. Day 7? Day 7. Day 7. Right here. I'm finally off of work and I don't know what I'm gonna cook for dinner. Which is the case every day. I mean, are you sensing a trend now? And then I realized today is Wednesday. Oh my God, it's Wednesday. I have to work this weekend too. I totally forgot that I have to work Saturday, so hump day don't mean crap to me because technically Thursday is my hump day for me because then I'm like, oh yeah, one more day and then, you know, we're good. So, Jamie, why did you take a screenshot of my Snapchat video? Did I have something in my teeth? Got my eyes on you, chica. Do you have anything interesting to say? No? You want to talk to the camera? What is it, pretty girl? Oh. What? Aww. Hey, yo, Pippi. She's very skittish if you can't tell. Who is Snapchatting me? Gabby, Jamie, Gabby, Jamie, Gabby, Jamie is typing. Jamie took a screenshot. This is what I do all day, in case you're wondering. There's the vlog right there. Just that.
It was like, I hated my skin. I hated what it looked like on the camera.
I'm glad that she feels the same way because that's how I feel like 100% of the time.
How the makeup looked on the camera. I don't know, like right now it looks fine on this camera, but when you have like all these lights.
Just making dinner, and so yeah. I told you that I really like zucchini, so I have zucchini, onion, and squash with some salmon, and I'm probably gonna put some like egg rolls in the microwave or something for Cody because that's his sustenance. And then also, I realized I say salmon and not salmon. Nobody has ever corrected me on that, and I will forever say that. Then cabbage, because I love cabbage. I so badly need to start eating healthier again. Like, I don't know what's happened to me lately. I've been like so out of it when it comes to food, and I'm very aware that I've gained weight. But I mean, it's not like it's my priority, weight loss or weight gain or whatever. But it is in the back of my mind because I did lose a lot of weight from when I was younger. And there's always that fear that you're gonna gain back what you lost and yada yada blah blah blah. All that mumbo jumbo. So this is my dinner. And yes, I'm having a little cheeky egg roll. And my husband's. Yay, food! I know I look really yellow, but that's because my exposure is up because there's supposed to be a rocket launch. Yes, I know, Ellie Bell. Yes. Yes. There's supposed to be a... Hi, Anna. She's smelling me. There is supposed to be... How many times do I have to say this? There is supposed to be a rocket launching somewhere in Florida, I guess, and we're supposed to be able to see it. So my exposure is really up. And I'm actually at ISO 6400 right now. The quality of this must suck.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We have engine ignition. 2, 1, and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the WGSA mission for the United States Air Force.
Where's it? There it is, right there.
Yep.
It's in the clouds.
You're hearing the voice of Patrick Moore providing launch vehicle Cynthia.
Now passing magnitude maximum dynamic pressure. R68 continuing to perform well. Chamber pressures and injector pressures looking good. Burn profiles on the 4 solid rocket motors also looking good. Now passing 1 minute into flight. Approximately 30 seconds remaining.
I don't see
in
any
the
yet,
solid
but there
rocket
it is.
motor burn. Delta 4 is now
Oh, something just broke off of it.
nautical miles in altitude. 10 miles downrange. Traveling at
I think it was the boosters. I can see it on the.
1 minute 20 seconds in. Standing by for SRM burnout
Oh,
shortly.
stop focusing.
And we have solid rocket motor burnout.
I can't see it
Standing
anymore.
by for separation.
Now I'm back to my normal settings. That's pretty cool. I got it on video. I promise. I hear you. I hear you. You're sweet, baby. Yes, you're sweet. Camera's out of focus, but who cares? Because you're sweet.